Scary. Can you jam any songs? Stones. TV.
Ano nga, man?
Ano yun?
Kailangan ang lahat ay magiging bahagi.
Yes po, kuya.
What's bahagi?
Okay, let's
What's bahagi?
Part.
include it.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Everyone should be
Task.
Sobrang anxiety.
Hey.
So, 2 ball pens only. So,
But I don't know the songs.
yeah. Write the songs.
We write the songs. All of the songs.
Tay!
Yung part lang nagagamitin.
Oh, yung part. Kasi, ang good. Pwede naman tupiin tsaka yung paper. So, we can... Yun.
Hawakan mo.
Let's go! Chantel, write the songs na lang. Pwede i-half ko. Para for Lou and Andre. Brothers, Andre and
For the Camille, yeah, for Camille.
Sobrang song.
Madali lang naman siya. Kasi paulit-ulit.
So, sakto na bang half?
Tatampo ko.
Actually, middleman yung si Yam Yam. Si Yam Yam yung parang parang ganun. So, kasi middleman siya. Kasi hindi nga kayo nagkakaintindihan ni Fumiya. Like, ikaw, babato ka, tapos... parang ganun.
What is
Pero of course...
couples fight?
Pero of course, Yam Yam, paka. Ganun.
Bahala nga kayo dyan. Bang. Yes! I like that.
Wait, should I actually just put my...
What?
Okay.
Kuya, pwede mo ba kami mag-ano ng
Yeah, so we can write down.
Kuya, we need that.
Pwede akong kakanta ko. Araw-araw, laging ikaw, ang sinisigaw ng pusong naliligaw. Tapos, biglang darating si Fumiya. Kakanta si Fumiya ng ano yan? Yung kanta niya? Arigato.
Bibigo. Nagdadya
Kim,
tape it.
tumataba na ba ako?
Ay, oo, pwede yun.
Hindi, ang taba.
Short hair.
Ang taba-taba ko na, Kim.
Kaya ba't ka nagpa-short hair?
Hindi. Oo, parang ang taba mo na. Kasi mataba ako.
Oh, parang siopaw
Bahala
na
ka,
mukha mo.
taba mo.
Yung totoo! Tapos lalapingin.
Siopaw na mukha mo.
Yoko sa'yo.
Good? You sure? Oh my God, your leg. use the Filipino
The other
leg.
one. Use
Use the Filipino leg.
Hapon leg.
Use the Philippine.
Go coffee ka.
Gusto mo? Kailangan ka mo. Marunong ka din yun, for sure. Piano pa.
Housemates, siguraduhin ninyong suot nyo ang inyong mga name tags.
Oh my gosh, no way.
Wow. Thea!
Boys, baliktad yung pwesto. Yung keyboard.
Baliktad.
What time?
Stop.
Okay, go.
Or it's the time of the month. Mahal is the time of the month.
Mahal is the time of the month, yeah.
First day ko na time of the month.
Yeah.
We'll just put it like that. Doesn't have to be exactly.
First time ko na. Ay, first day ko na.
Icky-dicky.
Get more coffee now.
So are we just gonna be chilling like
Or I
on the
could
couch and on like whatever?
Yeah.
My
Diba? Or you just scream.
yeah. Anong story niyo? Anong story? Anong meron?
They're fighting over shoes.
Ayoko kasi
Ayaw niya magchanelas. Tigas naman naman. Tapos nag-walkout pa siya.
Potatoes.
You ran. I know.
You ran.
I did?
Yeah, one time I was like, here, use this. Whoa, wait! Wait!
Nag-change na yung battery na yun.
Layo, oh, yan.
It's just like that one.
You're just running without slippers.
Words don't have pen.
Scenario, for example.
Medyo may feelings yun eh.
Medyo totoo.
Totoo eh.
One.
So it's gonna be legit Lou on.
Yeah, like a real argument that you
Yeah.
had with each other.
Argument.
Wala diba?
No, not argument. Like, nagbiro kayo sa isa't isa.
Joking around.
Funny, funny
Just
argument.
make up funny.
If you want to make up
Like, example, your period thing.
Yeah, may
Parang ganun.
So,
I cried over pants.
you almost cried.
What?
I don't know what to do.
Maligayang pagdating sa bahay.
Lord! Teach you how to make pancakes!
I almost cried.